Hey everyone, Force Restart here. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to bold text on a Facebook post. So let's get started. So let's go ahead and open up Facebook and try to write something here, right? When you go over here, we're going to go ahead and type something like this is my bold text. Now, you might notice that there's no way to bold it using any of these features. Even with this icon, it seems to not work correctly. So what we'll need is we'll need a help from another site. So what you're going to do is first long press and hold, select your text. So we're going to copy that text and then make your own way over to any browser. I'm going to use Safari here. And then any browser, just Google search bold text generator, right? Once you do that, there's going to be tons of website that allows you to basically copy and paste text to make them bold. So I'm just going to use one here. And all I do is go over here, again, press over here and paste it in. So I'm going to go ahead and paste it in. And this gives me, again, different types of bold text that I can use. So you can see here different examples. So let's go ahead with the very first one. I'm going to get long press here and then copy this. And then click on copy by pressing and holding. And then erase this text that I was trying to make bold. Right? Tap over here to paste. And this time I'm going to go ahead and paste it. And as you can see here, this text that I just posted is in bold text instead of just regular text. So again, all you're gonna have to do is each time you want a bold text, unfortunately you have to go to any of the sites, just generate bold text and then copy it over to your status, and then be able to make a post. So that's how you would do it. If this video was helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for Facebook. We'll see you guys